Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 3 update with Lori. How is it going?
Really good. Yeah.
So
Excellent.
the first 2 weeks, like you didn't lose too much weight, right?
Didn't lose any.
But last week I was shocked when I found that how many pounds did you lose?
I lost 6 pounds.
Wow, in 1 week.
Yes.
Wow. So how did you do that?
It was definitely not as hard as what I anticipated it would be. I felt good. I actually really enjoyed this week.
So it wasn't like you are putting too much restrictions on your diet, or find it very tough. Or,
Nope, I don't feel I put restrictions. I seem to be eating the same
Yeah.
as what I was kind of before the last few weeks.
Yeah.
But it was just a different time or set,
Yeah,
and
yes.
it's
So,
It
so
was a key.
some small changes. So far, it looks like you are on track, right? And you are going to hit your goal weekend.
sure.
So let's wait and see what will happen next week.
Okay,
Thank
sounds
you
good.
so much.